ever thought about the last electronic device you threw away? Where do you think it is today? Every year, millions of tons of electronic devices are discarded, creating one of the fastest growing e-waste problems today. But what if electronics could work and then safely disappear? Hi, I'm Sneha Chaudhary, a research scholar in the Flexible Electronics Lab at the Indian Institute of Science, Bengaluru. I work on biodegradable electronics with Professor Sanjeev Sambandhan. My research focuses on developing organic thin film transistor circuits and sensors that are meant to break down naturally after their job is done. Large area flexible electronics used in displays, sensors, and solar panels rely heavily on plastic substrates. These plastic substrates provide flexibility and strength, but they also make up most of the device's mass. And here is the problem: they don't degrade naturally and can persist in the environment for decades after being disposed of. Over the years, these materials pile up, polluting soil, water, and air. In my work, I use cellulose acetate, a biodegradable polymer made from plant cellulose, as the substrate instead of plastic. It's flexible, transparent, and decomposes safely, hence perfect for sustainable electronics. A transistor is like an electronic switch. It controls the flow of electricity, just like a water tap controls water flow. When you turn the handle, water flows. Similarly, in a transistor, gate voltage controls current flow between source and drain terminal. A thin film transistor, or TFT, works the same way, but it is fabricated through additive layer by layer deposition of materials. TFTs can be fabricated on glass, plastics, or now even on biodegradable sheets. The process begins by preparing a smooth cellulose acetate film. Then materials are deposited layer by layer. The gate electrode, which controls current, a dielectric layer for insulation, a semiconducting layer that carries charge, and metallic source and drain contacts. Current flow between the source and drain can be controlled by the applied gate voltages. These biodegradable transistors can be built in ambient conditions using low temperature printing methods, making them efficient, scalable, and environmental friendly. Biodegradable electronics can transform how we design and use technology. They are ideal for environmental monitoring, agriculture, healthcare, and wearable sensors, especially where devices only need to last for a limited time. Imagine sensors that track soil health or ocean data and then safely dissolve after use, leaving no pollution behind. This approach aligns with the vision of a circular economy, where every product's end of life is designed as responsibly as its beginning. As the world embraces smarter technologies, the challenge isn't just to innovate, but to innovate responsibly and keep our planet safe. At IISc's Flexible Electronics Lab in the Department of Instrumentation and Applied Physics, we are building circuits that perform efficiently but leave no trace behind, showing that innovation and sustainability can go hand in hand.